Hey everyone, this will be a quick unboxing here of the Ultramarine iPhone 16 Plus. I already have a 16 teal. I want to see how this compares to the regular 16. Of course, there's nothing in there. This is a very, very beautiful color. We'll come back to that in just a second here. And of course, you get a nice, fancy, braided USB-C to USB-C. And I mean, that's it. You don't even get paperwork anymore. Yeah. Alright guys, that is that. Here is our nice Ultramarine. I really like this, and I really like the teal as well. It's like a nice purpley blue, depending on how the light is hitting it. Very nice color. Or the teal is like a blue-green, or green-blue. Alright, so our camera button's there. Power button. We got our, what we call the action button. I believe is what Apple calls that. Volume rocker. Our speaker grills, only one of which is an actual speaker. USB Type-C, of course. Up there you'll have your dynamic island along with the camera. And of course you can see your nice beautiful color along the rails here as well, which is cool when you're actually using the phone. Again, very beautiful color. So I want to see how this compares to a 16 on day-to-day use. I know everything's the same item, just different size. I want to see how the size compares, I should say. So, $850 here in the U.S. is what these are, or $850 or 830, something like that. Maybe 830. $830, that's what they are. Here in the U.S., of course, last year they were $930, so now they're $100 off now that the 17 is out. But there's no 17 Plus this year, just the Air. Alright guys, let me know what you think of this beautiful color and phone. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.